Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of this gorgeous 71 Cutlass convertible with a 351 rocket. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous car, guys. Restored frame off 10 years ago, and it looks like it was just done. Remember, if this is your first time on eBay, look at our feedback. 100% feedback due to our customer satisfaction. It's a very easy process buying a car online. 95% of our cars are sold online, sight unseen, because we describe the car to a T. And also, we do this video free of charge where our competitors charge for them. Thanks for joining us today. Come on up, let's take a look at this gorgeous 71 Cutlass convertible. Under the hood, we have the numbers matching 350 rocket motor. We have power brakes, power steering, all numbers matching, completely restored. Check out the pictures at vanguardmotorsales.com of the undercarriage because it looks beautiful. Absolutely one gorgeous red paint job, completely awesome. All the chrome stainless is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful pinstriping. You look down the side of this car, you don't see a wave, you don't see a ripple, you don't see a ding. It is ready for show. Turnkey car here, guys. Don't buy one that needs work, because I can guarantee you, you'll have a lot more into it than you can buy this one done from Vanguard Motor Sales today. Call Tom today, 24/7, 248-974-9513. Check out the chrome on this rear bumper. It's got the cutouts for the exhaust. They put a couple 442 options on here. The rear bumper and the steel hood just really bling this car out. Look at the trunk. Spare tire, solid as a rock, very sanitary. Don't buy this car if you don't like attention, because you're going to be getting all the attention driving this down the road. Same with the passenger side. Absolutely beautiful, straight, clean, rust-free. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513 because this beautiful Cutlass is not going to last. Check out the beautiful seams on the doors, beautiful white interior. Everything works in here. Unbelievable, even the AM radio. Power top, as you can see in our video, works awesome. No rips or tears in the interior. Brand new top, looks like brand new carpet in there too. It's a three-step process. You give us a deposit, we send you the title, you pay for it, and you get your car. How easy is that? riding this awesome 71 Cutlass. No work to drive this car, guys. It goes down the road perfectly straight, and when you brake, there's no shimming. I mean, this is a car that I could put a person in that's never driven a classic car and they'd find it like a brand new car. My wife, anybody. It is just awesome. In fact, tonight's the dream cruise, and I think I'm going to take it there because it's just really fun and easy to drive. And that's what you look for when you're buying a classic car. At least me, anyways. Don't forget to go to VanguardMotorsales.com and become subscribers on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. And also, if you plan on buying a classic car, go to Classic Car Buying Secrets and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. My name is Tom Fotios. I want to thank you for joining us today. And if you don't see something that you want, give us a call. We'll love to help you find your car. 248-974-9513. Stay tuned for the next pass at Vanguard Motor Sales.